Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive FlipperSiteDeveloper CMS video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and configure images to a web page. So let's get started. I'm already logged into the page that I want to add an image to. So all I'm going to do is scroll down, hit Edit Content. Once I do that, I'm going to place my cursor where I want the image to show. So in my case, I just wanted to show right here. Once I do that, I am going to click the image manager icon, which you can see here. Now, I've already uploaded the image that I want for this page. If you have a new page you want to upload, just simply hit add new image, select it from your computer and upload it. So this is the image that I want to use. I want to add our logo to this page. So all I got to do is click this button to add the image. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty large image. One recommendation we have is to size the images for web and optimize them for web. For the purposes of the video, I left this image a little bit larger so that I can show you a couple of other tools at your disposal through the image manager on the page. So I don't want the image to be this large, and I don't want it to be aligned this way because the page looks kind of funny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image, and then I'm going to right click on it, and you will see these properties option. So you click on that. Now here you get all these different settings that you can set for this image. So the image alignment, you can float right, float left. For me, I'm going to float right. I also don't like that it's this big, so I'm going to change this to 350. And if you leave this icon selected, you leave it together, it'll automatically size the height or the width depending on which one you change so that it's proportionate. Again, I'm going to leave mine to 350, just want to show you that. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK for now. As you can see, it's on the right side. Now this is a little too tight for my liking. I'm going to hit save real quick so we can see what it looks like as well. And you see the text is butted right up against there. So I'm going to hit edit content again. Once I do that, again, right click properties. I want to add spacing to all the way around actually of the image. So I'm just going to put 10 pixels all the way around. And that's going to give me my padding that I want. Again, you can see that. I'm going to hit save. And you can see that there's more space between the image and the text now. So I'm going to hit edit content, and I'm going to show you some of the other tools that you have. Again, click on the image, right click properties. So the other thing you can do is if you want to add a border to an image, you can just select the color, or you can add a custom color. I'm just going to click something real quick. You can set the width of the border 2 pixels. Alt text, if for SEO purposes, we recommend that you always add alt text to your images. So and this can be whatever you want it to be. Delete that for now. You can add title text. I'm just going to copy what's here, copy there, and I'm going to save so you can see what it did. Again, you can see the red border. It's 2 pixels wide that I added to this picture. Now obviously I probably wouldn't do that, so I'm just going to go back here, and it's really easy to undo some of the stuff. I'm just going to go here and put 0, change that. I'm actually just click on this, and it's gonna border. Okay, now I'm going to save again. There it is. So that's how easy it is to add an image and configure it the way you want it. Hope this video has been beneficial. For more information, you can visit us at penpublishing.com. Shoot us an email at sales@penpublishing.com. If you're on Twitter or Facebook, we'd appreciate a like and a follow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate that. And until next time.